That's one of the guys that's got a penis the size of a wolk. Oh, hello people! Let's go for a wee run. It's a bit misty today. Let's see where nav is taking us. I've told it to be a round trip. See how the sound is. I've moved the microphone again. Try to get rid of some of that wind noise. So I'll be interested to see if that's helped a wee bit. I don't know if you can see, but I managed to get my TFT screen a bit cleaner. Still a bit streaky, but it's better than it was. Shout out to Kimmy to go. Microfiber. See a couple of motor riders coming. I'm not the only idiot that's out today. Stay there, you fucking numpty. Domino's Pizza. Or maybe I should become a pizza delivery guy. You never know. Where are we going? Okay. Now this is us in Post Bank. Used to be nice to come up here with a bike, but they've shut it all off. So now that was as far as you could go. You used to be able to go right up through the park. They've shut it all off now. It's a bit of a shame. You see the sort of diversions. Okay, let's talk about fair weather riders. I don't know what it is. There's a discussion going on now about fair weather riders. People only go out when it's 20 degrees. I think you should go out if you enjoy going out. Biking's supposed to be fun. It shouldn't be punishment. And it shouldn't be that you're feeling pressured. So if you're one of the people that only enjoy going out when it's nice weather. Then do your own thing. I go out when I want to go out. And that's as much as possible, of course, for me. But no, everybody's got the freedom to go out whenever they want. Kids, work, you name it. So, to everybody out there, ride when you get the chance. You never know what's around the corner. This is us getting into Arnhem Centre. Now that's the city centre there, straight ahead. This is a staying strat. I used to live down here in one of the flats above the shops there. Numpty. Fucking numpty! So watch out for the bikes here, because they don't. Look! Jesus! What for the dummer? He's right up his arse. Fucking nutcase. If you ever come to Holland, be careful with the bikes. They don't give a shit. That's one of the guys that's got a penis the size of a woke. What does that mean? What does that mean? Do you know how to drive? I think he got his driving licence in a lucky bag. He's playing his fucking phone. Suzuki V-Strom. Nice. Welcome to Arnhem. Can I get that on the camera? I think we'll call it a day. Oh, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, subscribe, and yeah, come back the next time, have a look. I hope my videos are getting a wee bit better.